Hello everyone, welcome to our online class. How are you? Fine? Yes. Today we have detailed discuss about our third term first chapter. Third term first chapter, Mumbai. First chapter name Mumbai. Okay, Mumbai earlier called it Bombay. Now it is called Mumbai. Earlier it called Bombay. Look here. Bombay. Now Mumbai. Earlier it called Bombay. You heard it? Yes. Now today we have learnt about it. Detail discuss about this place Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Okay. This Mumbai is situated in the west coast of India. Mumbai is situated in the west coast of India, in the faces of Arabian Sea. Okay. Mumbai is the major port of India and Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra and Mumbai is the major port of India. Look here. Look here, this is the major port of India. Look at this. Clear? Wow, this is the major port of India. Mumbai is the major port. And Mumbai is capital of Maharashtra. Capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai is the major port of India and Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra and it is situated in the west coast of India. Mumbai is situated in the west coast. Situated west coast. And situated in the west coast of India and it faces the Arabian Sea. Mumbai it is situated in faces of Arabian Sea. Okay, the climate of Mumbai is warm and humid in summer. The climate of Mumbai is warm and humid in summer. Humid means air with high amount of water vapor. Humid means air with high amount of water vapor. Look, the climate of Mumbai is climate. Climate of Mumbai is warm and humid in summer. Warm and humid in summer. Humid in summer. Humid means air with high amount of water vapor. Humid means air with high amount of water vapor. Humid means air with high amount of water vapor. Humid. Okay, here climate, Bombay's climate is, here climate is warm and humid in summer, warm and humid in summer. Humid means air with a high amount of water vapor. Follow? Follow? Yes. Mumbai is the one of the most populous city. Okay. And Mumbai is the major port of India. Mumbai is the major port of India. And Mumbai is the capital of, yes, say loudly, yes, capital of Maharashtra. And thus climate warm and humid in summer. Clear? Okay, next we have learned about details about our Mumbai. Mumbai is famous for textiles. Mumbai is famous for textiles. So many industries there. Mumbai is the famous for industries. Many types of industries there. Industries. Okay. First here look, here the location of Mumbai, location of Mumbai. The Maharashtra state here look, Maharashtra state, look, clear, Maharashtra state, the locations of Maharashtra, and Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra, clear. And Mumbai is famous for many industries there, many types of industries, and famous for textiles, textile industry, famous for textiles. Look here, wow, look these videos and pictures, different types of textiles, textile industries, famous for textiles industries in Mumbai. Wow, textiles. Clear? Okay, Mumbai is famous for its textiles. Textiles, famous for textiles. And there are many other industries here. There are many other industries in Mumbai, famous it. Okay. That's such as medicines, oils, chemicals and electronic goods. Which are they? Chemicals, medicines, oils, and electronic goods. Once more, such as medicines, oils, chemicals, electronical goods and textiles. Okay. Many industries there, that medicines, oils, chemicals, electronic goods. Oils, medicines, chemicals, and electronic goods. These are the industries there. Okay. Textiles, major industries there, and oils industry, medicines industries, and chemicals, electronic goods, extra. Okay. Many other industries there. Okay. Okay. Next, mineral oil. Mineral oil is found in seabed. Mineral oil is found in seabed near the Mumbai coast. Mineral oil is found in near the seabed near the Mumbai coast. Seabed near the Mumbai coast. Mineral oil. This place is called Mumbai High. This place is also called a Mumbai High. Earlier called it Bombay High. Mineral oil is found in Bombay or Mumbai. Mineral oil is found in Mumbai coast. So, it is called it Mumbai High, and earlier it is called Bombay High. Looks. Mineral oils. Mineral oils found in near the Mumbai coast. Found in near the Mumbai coast. So, it is called Mumbai High, and earlier it is called Bombay High. Clear? Near the near the mineral oils found in near the Mumbai coast. So, it is called Mumbai High. Earlier it called Bombay High. Mineral oils found in near the Mumbai coast. So, it is called the space is called Mumbai High. Earlier this place called Bombay High. Okay. Earlier this place is called Bombay High. Now, this place is called Mumbai High. Clear? Okay. Okay, come to the point. Next, we have discussed about refinery. Refinery. That this mineral oil is purified in a refinery. Mineral oil is purified in refinery. One of the biggest film industries here. One of the biggest film industry. Look here. One of the biggest film industries here. Look at these videos. Film industry. Wow. That's a wonderful scene here. Look here. Wonderful scene here. This is a film industry. One of the biggest film industry in Mumbai. Look. Wow. Then film industry, biggest film industry in the world. This is the one of the biggest film industry in the world in Mumbai. That's so. Theatre is also very popular in Mumbai. Film industry and theatre also found in Mumbai. Plays in Marathi, Hindi, English are performed here regularly. Marathi, Hindi and English. Marathi, Hindi and English plays here. Okay, the biggest film industry. Biggest film industry and theatre. The biggest film and industry. So many industry. Just a minute, we study about this. Okay. Textiles, chemicals, electronic goods, oils, chemicals, extra. Okay. Then another one of the biggest film industry in our world in Mumbai. Okay. One of the biggest film industry in the world is based in Mumbai, and theatre is also very biggest here, very popular in Mumbai. Theatre also, look here, theatre, and this place Hindi, Marathi and English. Popular living in Mumbai speak Marathi, Hindi and Konkani. Here Mumbai cities popular speaker, the language is Marathi, Hindi and Konkani. Language, speak popular, they speak Mumbai speak Marathi, Hindi and Konkani. These languages speak here. Clear? Marathi, Hindi and Konkani. That languages speak in Mumbai. Okay, people from many parts of India. People from many parts of India live and work here. Mumbai is the busiest city. Mumbai is the busiest place. Okay, many places, other places of India live and work here. Okay, and live and work in Mumbai. A large number of people work here. Large number of people work in factories and offices. Large number of people work in factories and offices. Clear? Okay, next. Bhel puri, vada pav, pani puri and pav bhaji. What's this? You heard about it? You heard? Yes, everyone is heard about it, this pav bhaji. You heard? Have you heard about it? Yes, bhel puri, vada pav, pani puri and pav bhaji are the popular snacks. Do you like snacks? Yes, everyone is like snacks. Here's snacks name pav bhaji, bhel puri, vada pav, pani puri. These types of snacks here are popular snacks in Mumbai. Okay, popular snacks in Mumbai: bhel puri, vada pav, pani puri, pav bhaji. These are the popular snacks in Mumbai. Once more, snacks, popular snacks. Popular snacks in Mumbai: bhel puri, vada pav, pani puri, and pav bhaji. These are the popular snacks in India. Look here, bhel puri, vada pav, pav bhaji and pani puri. Look here, do you like it? Wow. Okay. Next, Chaturthi is the most popular festival celebrated here. Chaturthi is the most popular festival here. Ganesh Chaturthi is the, look here, this video, Ganesh Chaturthi is the most popular festival here. Wow, look, that's a beautiful scene, wonderful scene here. Look this video, Ganesh Chaturthi is the most popular festival here. And so many tourist places here, many types of tourist place here. Thousands of tourists visit in Mumbai, thousands of tourists visit in Mumbai, tourist place. Thousands of tourists visit in Mumbai. Tourist spots in Mumbai is the Gateway of India. Do you know Gateway of India? Look here, Gateway of India. Wow, Gateway of India. A wonderful scene here. Wow, look, it's a wonderful scene, Gateway of India, situated in Mumbai. Gateway of India. Other places of interest are, first one, Gateway of India. Gateway of India. Other places here, so many interested tourist place here in Mumbai. Other places, which are they? Other places, Kamala Nehru Park, Jahangir Art Gallery, Tara Porvela Aquarium, Marine Drive and Esselwood. Look here, Kamala Nehru Park here. Look, wonderful scene here, beautiful scene. Okay, do you like it? Park, Kamala Nehru Park. And Jahangir Art Gallery, look, Jahangir Art Gallery. Look, wow. And Tara Porvela Aquarium. Marine Drive, look this video, Marine Drive and Esselwood. Mumbai is famous for its beaches such as Chowpatty, Juhu, Marwa and Versova. So many beaches here, so many beaches situated in Mumbai. It is a wonderful scene here. Mumbai is the biggest place in India. And another one, Queen's Nagar, the shining light at night. The shining lights at night. That's a beautiful scene. Shining lights at night along the Marine Drive. Look like a necklace. Look like a necklace. Marine Drive. Look. The shining light at night. Look like a necklace. Okay. And the island which has the famous elephant cave, Elephanta cave here also, Elephanta caves. The first train in India, Mumbai to Thane, the first train from Mumbai. The first train in India ran from Mumbai to Thane, 1853. Do you remember? Don't forget it. The first train in India ran from Mumbai to Thane. Mumbai to Thane. First train. The first train ran from Mumbai to Thane. Mumbai to Thane. First train Okay, got it? Okay. And the best public transport system here, best public transport system also here, metro, its own metro and monorail system here, metro and do you know metro, metro and monorail system also here in Mumbai. Most popular travel by train, and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminus, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminus, CST is the Mumbai. This place is the one of the busiest railway station in Mumbai. Look here, one of the busiest railway station. Look, this is the busiest railway station. Look this video. Busiest railway station in Mumbai, CST. CST means Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminus. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminus, CST. CST is the one of the busiest railway station in Mumbai. Clear? Most popular travel by local train, most popular travel by train. Mumbai is the one of the busiest railway station in India. Okay. Mumbai is the one of the busiest railway station in India. Okay, my dear students, I think everyone is follows today's class, Mumbai. Okay, everyone is details know about it, or Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital of anybody know that? Yes, correct. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra and a major port also in Mumbai. Major port also in Mumbai. It is situated in the west coast of India. Mumbai is situated in west coast of India, and so many major industries here. So many industries, textiles, chemicals, oils, electronic goods, etc. Okay, and mineral oils. That place called Mumbai High, and earlier it called Bombay High. Now it's called Mumbai High. Okay, and its climate is warm and humid. Warm and humid. Here Mumbai climate is warm and humid. Air with high water vapor. Air with high water vapor. That means humid. Okay, and it's speak in Hindi, Marathi, and English. Konkani. Hindi, Marathi, and Konkani. Here speak in Mumbai, and many tourist places, railway station system, tourist place, one of the most important tourist place here, Gateway of India. That's a wonderful scene here. Okay, another one, so many snacks, popular snacks here, pav bhaji, vada pav, and bel puri. Clear? And so many tourist places here, Kavala Nehru Park, and Jahangir Art Gallery, Tara Parvela Aquarium, Marine Drive. That's at night, shining at night, look like a necklace. Wow. And most popular railway system here, CST, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminus. Okay, clear? I think everyone is follow it. Okay, now we are going to do our text work. First, I read here new word. Port. Port means a place near the sea where ships arrive at and depart from. Okay, a ship arrive and depart from here, that place is called a port. Humid, air with high amount of water vapor, that's called a humid. And seabed, floor of the sea. Seabed means floor of the sea. refinery, a place where natural substances such as oil are purified. Oils are purified. That's called refinery. Okay, now we are going to do our text work. A work. Page number 115. A work. A work. Write T for true, F for false. T or F, true or false. Right, ready? Mumbai is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. Mumbai is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. Is it true or false? Yes, that answer is false. First answer false. Second, Mumbai is an important port. Mumbai is an important port. That answer is true. 3. Third question. In Mumbai, the rainy season is from July to September. The rainy season is from July to September. That answer is false. June to September, correct answer. Okay. That answer is false. Fourth one. Ezelwerd is a famous beach in Mumbai. Ezelwerd. Ezelwerd is the famous beach in Mumbai. That answer is false. Fifth, the first train in India ran from Mumbai to Thane. First train, do you know? Mumbai to Thane. That answer is true. Okay, first answer false. Second true. Third one false. Fourth one false. Fifth one true. Next, we are going to do our B work. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Ready? Okay. Mumbai faces the Dead Sea. Mumbai faces the Dead Sea. Do you know? Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea. Clear? Number 2. Mineral oil is found near the Mumbai coast at Mumbai High. Mumbai High. Third one. In Mumbai, people mostly speak. In Mumbai, people mostly speak Marathi, Hindi and Konkani. Konkani, Marathi, Hindi and Konkani. And the most famous tourist spot in Mumbai is Gateway of India. Fourth, Gateway of India. Five. Dash is also called the Queen's necklace. Dash is also called the Queen's necklace. Marine Drive. Okay, right. Next, last work, C work, question and answers. First one, Arabian Sea, fill in the blanks. Second one, Mumbai High. Third one, Marathi, Hindi and Konkani. And fourth one, Gateway of India. And fifth, Marine Drive. Next, we are going to do our question and answers. C work. First, our question, where is Mumbai situated? Where is Mumbai situated? Mumbai the west coast of India. And state Maharashtra. Right. This is the first answer. Second, which are the main industries in Mumbai? Which are the main industries in Mumbai? Second one. Main industries in Mumbai. First one, textile. Medicine. Medicine, oil, chemicals, and electronics. Electronic goods. These are the main industries in India: textiles, medicine, oil, chemicals, electronic goods. Next, third question. Name some popular snacks of Mumbai. Name some popular snacks. Popular snacks of Mumbai. Third one. Belpuri. 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 Vada pav. Then pani puri. Then pav bhaji. Okay, Belpuri, Vada Pav, Pani Puri, Pav Bhaji. Okay, next last question, sir. Last question, write 5 places of tourist in Mumbai. Tourist place in Mumbai. Mumbai tourist places. Tourist places in Gateway of India. Gateway of India. Okay, look, last questions, tourist places. Mumbai tourist places in Mumbai. First one, Gateway of India. Second one, Kamala Nehru Park. Third one, Marine Drive. Marine Drive, Jahangir Art Gallery. Jahangir Art Gallery. Then fifth, Tara Porvela. Tara Porvela Aquarium. These are the 5 popular tourist places in Mumbai. Okay, our question answer is over. Okay, my dear students, I think everyone is follow my class. My class is finished. Thank you. Meet again.